Welcome to KV Education Point. Today we will see the summary what we have learned from chapter first. So let's start and see first slide. Firstly, we will learn what is matter. Matter is which occupies space, which have some mass. Matter is made up of tiny particle. And the second point is matter around us exists in three states: solid, liquid, gas. And the third is, as we know, the force of attraction between particle is maximum in solid, क्योंकि जो solid में है वो particle बहुत पैकिंग जो है उनकी वो बहुत क्लोज होती है, सो टाइटली पैक्ड होते हैं. So it's maximum in solid, intermediate in liquid and minimum in gases. Similarly, हम इसको force of attraction से space in between constant particle and kinetic energy relate कर सकते हैं. So force of attraction maximum है solid में, तो minimum होगा space जो है वो minimum होगा in case of solid and also kinetic energy. Similarly, intermediate in liquid and maximum in gases, क्योंकि gas में force of attraction बिल्कुल नहीं है तो स्पेस और काइनेटिक एनर्जी बहुत ज़्यादा होगी. ओके, एंड द नेक्स्ट फिफ्थ पॉइंट इज अरेंजमेंट ऑफ द पार्टिकल इज ऑर्डर्ड इन केस ऑफ सॉलिड. इन केस ऑफ लिक्विड, पार्टिकल कैन स्लिप एंड स्लाइड ओवर ईच अदर, while for gases there is no order, particle just move randomly. एंड हमें ये पता है कि ये जो तीनों स्टेट्स हैं मैटर की, हम उनको चेंज कर सकते हैं, इंटरकन्वर्टिबल है वो by changing temperature and pressure. And the next is sublimation. Sublimation is a process where solid state change into liquid gaseous states without coming into liquid state, and also vice versa. And shall we move to next slide? So the point 8 is boiling point. Boiling point is temperature at which liquid start boiling at atmospheric pressure is known as boiling point. And the next is evaporation. Evaporation is a surface phenomena. The particles from the surface gain enough energy to overcome the force of attraction present in a liquid and change into vapor state. And rate of evaporation depend upon four factors: surface area, humidity, temperature, wind speed. With the increase in surface area, rate of evaporation increases. With the increase in temperature, rate of evaporation is also increases, and with the increase in wind speed, rate of evaporation is also increases. But with the decrease in humidity, rate of evaporation increases. Okay, and it's inversely proportional to humidity, because in atmosphere there is air can hold a definite amount of water vapor present in air. Humidity is amount of water vapor present in air. If already amount of water vapor present in air increases, then rate of evaporation decreases. If the amount of water vapor present in air decreases, then rate of evaporation increases. As we know, evaporation cause cooling. कल पढ़ा था हमने कैसे, क्योंकि इवेपोरेशन के टाइम कुछ ना कुछ एनर्जी लॉस होती है, और वो रीगेन करने के लिए जो पार्टिकल्स हैं लिक्विड के एनर्जी को एब्जॉर्ब कर लेते हैं सराउंडिंग से, और उसी एब्जॉर्प्शन की वजह से हमें कूलिंग फील होती है. और हमने ये डिस्कस भी किया था एग्जांपल कि जो नेल पेंट रिमूवर होता है, सो जब हम वो अप्लाई करते हैं अपनी पाम पे, सो वी फील कूल, है ना, जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस. एंड वी ऑल्सो सी दिस, वी विल ऑल्सो डिस्कस in summer we always prefer cotton clothes, है ना. So why we prefer cotton? Just because cotton is a good absorber, and it helps in absorbing sweat and exposing it to atmosphere for easy evaporation. And we will also discuss glass containing ice cold water, and then what we will see as a water droplet outside the surface of a glass, है ना. So it was just because water vapor present in air, so they come in contact with cold glass of water and loses energy and get converted into liquid state, which we see as a water droplet. Okay, so the next slide is latent heat of vaporization. Is the heat energy required to change 1 kg of a liquid to a gas at atmospheric pressure at its boiling point. And the latent heat of fusion is the amount of heat energy required to change 1 kg of solid into liquid at its melting point. So these are the basic points which we have to remember. And from my point of view, Evaporation is an important topic from this chapter, and it's also scoring. It's easy. What you have to remember is on what factor rate of evaporation depends and how it depends on temperature, humidity, you know, uh, and small definition you have to remember, like latent heat of vaporization, latent heat of fusion, boiling point, melting point. It's it's easy chapter, and it's also scoring. So just remember this, and it's all about for today. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Bye bye.